seafood right to my front door. I was a little afraid about this. This is what has really helped me eat more seafood. I'm talking wild caught cod, salmon, and whitefish. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what we got. It's $145, but hear me out. I know that might be a lot for some people, but for me and my husband, when we go out to eat at a restaurant, which we love to go to a local seafood restaurant, we will spend $145 just on one meal. So inside this box, this is what we get once a month. I got 2 rockfish. Let's see, there's 2 Pacific halibut. I love how they are already pre-portioned, filleted Pacific cod. Another halibut. So there's, 2 more halibuts and 2 more cods and another cod, 2 more cods. Look at these pieces are beautiful. All right, I'm gonna lay this out. Okay, this is what it looks like all laid out beautifully. Look at all of that fish that's already filleted, already proportioned out perfectly, all for $145. Now it's just for me and my husband, so let's see, how many meals would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 meals we are going to create out of all of this beautiful fish. And the rockfish, I mean, this is forcing me to learn some new recipes, which I'm sharing on my channel. And I've made a rockfish soup before, and it's also good for fish tacos. But if you find this information to be valuable to you, if you were ever curious about this company, please hit the like button and subscribe. I am just a fan, and I do have a referral link. So if you use the link, then you get $25 off of your first order, and I'll get some money off of my next order, I think $25 also. And so you can share it with your friends then too. But anyway, this is the, it's right here on my shirt. Wild Alaska Company shirt. Wild Alaskan Company. It's right here on my shirt, Wild Alaskan Company. So if you've ever been interested in this, if you've seen their ads, you're hearing it from a real person who really ordered and got all of this, and I've never been disappointed. It's been a great experience. You get to choose the box that you want, and you can put it on pause if you need to. Anyway, thanks for watching and checking it out.